Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Surya. Today we are going to discuss basic Excel functions, average, mean and max. Average calculates the average range of cells where mean returns the minimum value and max returns the maximum value. Let's try it out in Excel. The table contains stores and regional sales database. It has columns like ID, store number, regions and so on. Let's find the average number of units sold. To find the average we have to select the cell where we want to find the average, then type equal, then average function, average, select average function, then add the values for which you want to find the average. To select the entire range, we have to select the entire column. uh, just click over here, then close the parenthesis and press enter. Here you go. The average number of units sold is 33.09. To find the minimum number of units sold, we have to first type equal, then mean function, select mean function, then here we are going to find the mean for the entire column. So we are going to select the column name G, then close the parenthesis, press enter. So minimum number of units sold is 3. Let's find the maximum number of units sold. To find the max, first we have to select the cell where we want to find the max, then type equal, then max, select max function. To find the max, we have to then add the values for which you want to find the max. To find the max for the entire column, just select the name of the column. Here we are going to select G, then close the parenthesis, press enter. Here you go. The maximum number of units sold is 99. That's all for today.